Hey everybody, so today's video is being done in collaboration with Bond Craftor Resin, and they have sent me their deep pour resin. It is a 2-to-1 ratio, 2 parts A, 1 part B. Stir for at least 3 minutes. The kit comes with 2 of these scrapers, 5 pairs of gloves, 2 stirring sticks, 5 cups, and a 1.5 gallons of resin. So today I'm going to be making a geode inspired table. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments.
Ideas in my mind spark like fireflies, colors on the canvas, love the way they rise. Hands in motion now, shapes begin to form, dreams come to life in every shade and norm. Create the magic, feel it in the air, draw it, write it, share it, show the world you care. Imagination flow, let your colors show, turn the ordinary into something new. Every note we sing, every line we write, echoes of our dreams shining in the light. Create the magic, feel it in the air, draw it, write it, share it, show the world you care. Create the magic, feel it in the air, draw it, write it, share it, show the world you care. The world you
Bond Craftor is partnering up with me, and they are going to offer a giveaway. And in this giveaway, they're going to have 3 winners, and each winner will get 3 100-gram bottles of UV resin, and that will be shipped to them from Bond Craftor. And all you have to do is subscribe to my channel as well as Bond Craftor, and go to my community page and follow the instructions. It's very easy. So just make sure you're publicly subscribed so that we can verify, and it only can be shipped to a US address. So good luck, everyone. I bought this rope caulk because I saw Angela Bliss Art do a video recently where she made a cutting board, an ocean cutting board, and she used this rope caulk to divide it off so that the resin wouldn't go over. So I'm going to give that a try and just see how this works out. I'm just going to push it down here and hope that it doesn't seep through. I don't know if it will, but we'll see. This is too short. Okay, just go to about there. And she did do this on wood, so I'm not sure if it's going to work on this resin, but we'll see.
Let's paint the sky tonight, colors burning bright with every splash. It's right, creativity in flight. Feel the rhythm flow, ideas start to grow. In the moment we glow, our passion starts to show. Let's create and spin around, new creations to be found. So much fun in every sound, in our world lost and found. Let's paint the sky tonight, colors burning bright with every splash. It's right, creativity in flight. Feel the rhythm flow, ideas start to grow. In the moment we glow, our passion starts to show. Let's create and spin around, new creations to be found. So much fun in every sound, in our world lost and found.
Okay, it's been a couple days, and I'm just gonna take out this silicone. It's a cake pan actually that I had put in here just to make a gap in the center.
Felt so whole with you. I found my guide. Spark in your eye shines, brightest star at night. Heart now intertwines. You're my perfect light. You are the one for me. We'll never look back. No, together we'll always be. Love will forever grow. In your arms I'm free. Two hearts beating fast. There's no mystery. Our love's built to last. Through the highs and lows, hand in hand we stay.
Okay, did have a little overpour here. Just move this out of the way. Down here, and we'll grab my scissors and just cut around these edges. I will probably sand this.
Through the highs and lows, hand in hand we stay. In your eyes it shows. We'll never fade away. We'll never fade. You are the one for me. We'll never look back. No, we'll never look back. Together we'll always be. Love will forever grow. You are the one for me. We'll never look back. No, we'll never look back. Together we'll always be. Love will forever grow.
Here's the final table. I think it came out great, and I hope you do too. Thank you so much to Bond Craftor for sending me this resin. I really do appreciate it. I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and thank you for watching. Bye!